In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell padding in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful when you're looking to clean up your data presentation or simply want to make your spreadsheet more visually appealing. So, grab your computer, open up Google Sheets, and let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Sheet. Once you're in, you'll want to decide which cells need their padding adjusted. To do this, start by selecting the range of cells you're interested in. The easiest way is by clicking on a column heading, and that action will highlight the entire column. Now, let's add some essential formatting options. Click on the text wrapping icon, which you can find on the main toolbar. With text wrapping, your text won't run over into the adjacent cells, which is especially helpful for maintaining a neat and organized appearance. Choose the option to wrap your text, which will allow you more control over how the data fits within each cell. Next up, let's work on the text positioning. Click on the text position drop-down and select Middle to vertically center your text within the cells. This adjustment aligns everything neatly, making your data much easier to read and analyze. Following this, adjust the cell alignment. Click on the Horizontal Align button found on the toolbar. Set this to center so everything is snugly positioned in the middle horizontally. This not only enhances the clarity of your information, but also adds a professional touch. Now, you'll want to resize the columns to better fit your data. Start by right-clicking on any column heading that includes the range of cells you're dealing with. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select Resize Columns A, D, or the specific range of columns you're working with. You'll be prompted to enter a new column width. Type in the number that suits your data best. This value is typically measured in pixels, so you may need to experiment to find the perfect fit. Once you've entered your desired width, click on OK to apply the changes. We're almost there. Time to resize the rows for an even tidier look. Right-click on any row heading in your selected range, then choose Resize Rows 1, 12, or whichever range you're working with. Much like resizing columns, input the value that provides just enough room for your content while avoiding excessive spacing. Finally, click OK, and voila! You've successfully changed the cell padding in your Google Sheets. By adjusting these settings, your spreadsheet becomes not only more functional, but infinitely easier to read and present to others. Hopefully, these steps have made the process clearer and more straightforward for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting!